In this video, we're going to take a look at some accounting configuration. One thing to be aware of before we do this is that dispatched orders need to be put into an invoiced status on Mintsoft for charges to be applied to the account. For example, if we go to Orders Overview, we have here some dispatched orders, and if I was ready to charge the client for these, I could highlight the orders, and then in Bulk Actions, I could search for Invoice, and click Go, and those orders would change to an invoiced status, as you can see here. To automate this, you can go to Settings, you can go to Customer Account Settings, and then you can go to the Automation tab at the top. Here, you can auto invoice dispatched order. The default will be N for no, but you can set it to Y for yes. Then you can go to Accounting at the top right-hand side, the final tab, and you can set different settings, such as the time of month for invoice items, the time of the month to invoice monthly items on. For example, if you have a monthly storage cost, do you want that to be triggered against your client at the start of the month or the end of the month? The same goes for the day of week to invoice weekly items on. For example, you could have your weekly charges triggered on a Sunday or on a Friday. You have accounting integration type. If you're a 3PL and you're connected to Xero or QuickBooks or Sage or Access Financials, you can select that from the list here. You then have time of day to invoice orders. When you use the automation just mentioned to automatically invoice dispatched orders, it has to happen between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m. Therefore, you have to specify a time here in the evening for that to happen. Please note at the time of recording this video, this is for UK times only.